Hello everyone. Today I'm going to do the unpackaging of the RS intelligent tracking module that goes on the side or on top of the RS3 gimbal, RS3 Pro in my case. So let's do the unboxing. I bought this on AliExpress and it's used to do tracking of people, not object, unfortunately. Maybe they'll update in the coming future, we'll see. So let's do the unpackaging. Okay, oh, there is another. Okay. Okay, so there should be two pieces to the module. Okay, some salt or whatever. And here's the module, some literature of course. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay. So let's do the unpackaging here. Let me actually open it like this. Okay, so this part of the module that goes on top of or on the side of the gimbal arm, and this is the module. Super small. Okay, so this should be like this. Goes on top here. It has like a magnet type of thing, and then it locks in. So to unlock it, you just push this and it comes out like this. And then there's this locking mechanism right here. Okay, and this goes on the side. The USB goes on the side. Let me show you what I mean. So this is the RS3. Let me move this paper. Then I'm going to test it. Right now it's just an unboxing and show you how it goes. So on the back, on the other side, there is only one USB-C. Let me show you. Right there. And this module goes on like this. You insert it in the USB and then it goes like that, and you use this to lock it. Okay. Now, some people say that this locking mechanism is a bit not super stable, so you can put like a tape here just to keep it safe, or you can just put this locking like this, and it will lock on both sides, so you cannot. I don't know. Actually, you can remove this. Okay, so like that now, but. Okay, we'll figure it out. Anyway, this goes on top of here and is used to track faces and people. Okay, so again, this is the RS intelligent tracking for the gimbal RS3 and 4, I think. So I'll leave the link in the description. See you next video.